Ryan Trahan, the genius young man, break YouTube. He can make series on YouTube and go viral, even though he just used an iPhone.
They're wrong. No, but seriously, my hair.
What makes Ryan Trahan's video can get above 10 million of views on his series? From the Penny series to the visiting 50 states in America. Well, in this video, I want to tell you what Ryan Trahan used to get viral on his series. The formulas like a penny. One formula contains 0.33 parts. That's why you need to watching this video until the end. First, be brave. Some people I saw on YouTube want to copying the series like Ryan Trahan doing. For example, the Penny series. They're not going too far. When the people trying to make content like a Ryan Trahan, he thinking so much, oh man, maybe I cannot do this. I think I can get bullying. That's how new YouTuber like Survival had a talk like that when he trying to making content on YouTube. But Ryan Trahan is different. He trying to create content freshly. No matter what happen, will get bullied, overthinking, or failure, he keeps making content. So, does Ryan Trahan ever feel inferior? I think he still feel like that while making video, as evidenced by the louding expression. The Penny series is a statement to doubt, overthinking, fatigue, and a lack of motivation. Then bad things like that, he's still grinding and making content. Because he feel making content on YouTube is a fun job. That's why he's still making content until now.
Which I love making YouTube videos. It's so fun. It's such a fun job. I realized I need to.
That's what makes him too passionate about every content he creates. For me, making YouTube videos into a fun job is not easy. The first year I started making content on YouTube, I thought I could make a lot of money. I started taking YouTube videos seriously. I thought about creating engaging and unique writing, comparing my edits to those well-known YouTubers, even though my skill still too far from them. And it feel like burden to making content on YouTube. That's made me feel making content on YouTube was a stressful job. But I don't think I'm the only one who felt that way. Some YouTubers out there also find a YouTube is a stressful job. I think that kind of mindset to making content is like a burden, and it can hinder your next step. You will cannot go far. That's why you need to feel like Ryan Trahan do when he trying to making content. To turn stress into a fun and excitement, you need to think that making content on YouTube is a serious hobby. When you have hobby, you feel like happy, excited, and having fun. But when were you in the serious side, you have a feel like stressful, creative block, pressure and burden. And solution, we position ourselves between that, the stressful side and the hobby side. Thinking of YouTube videos or creating content on YouTube is about the hobby. It can make you have a feeling and have more creativity. Because you feel free and fun, you will can enjoying about editing, about scripting, and about the making content itself. But you can also consistency about creating content every weeks or every month. You still can grinding inconsistently. For myself, I also have mindset like that right now. I feel like free and making content consistently. That's what keeps me making YouTube videos today. And I have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 200,000 followers on TikTok and Instagram. So you can use this mindset to creating content on YouTube and you will be consistently about making content. Next, we will go to the 0.66 penny section. Number 2, the different. Look the video about the Penny series. Day 1 of Ryan Trahan series, Ryan starts with nothing.
And I'm going to use it across America in the next 30 days. Here's the rules. Rule number 1, all profit must come from the penny. Hey y'all, can anyone sell me a pen for this penny? You just started a...
Most survival series begin with the resources. For example, they're using a car or insider. But Ryan Trahan very different. He literally starts with nothing. Just 1 penny, no food, no drinks, and no insider. Even no vehicle. He starts with the real experience. Let's make videos Ryan Trahan about the series with instant tension and curiosity. And also Ryan Trahan make YouTube thumbnail and title, it seems like the video. Let's make your video YouTube can stand out. And for new YouTuber, you need to concern about this thing. Because I got mistake. My other YouTube channel is called Beci Create. I uploading on YouTube and make thumbnail and title is more clickbaiting. That's why my video cannot stand out by the other videos about the similar topic. The views got 1 million, but most of the audience not watch it until the end. Because they feel like, oh man, I got scammed by this YouTuber and don't want watching this video until the end. And that's the real problem. And your channel didn't grow. The next of your video cannot get million views again. Maybe just thousands of views. Because the audience lost of trust. To anticipate that, you need to make a thumbnail and title feel like same inside your video. Look on Ryan Trahan. Face in their thumbnail is an expression taken from the video, not made up. Not too much AI editing face, just edit this. But MrBeast thumbnail is different. He used editing like AI and much editing. Why their thumbnail can go viral and still got 1 million or 1,000 million views? Yeah, because MrBeast channel have a lot of teams. More than 100 people working on MrBeast. And different like Ryan Trahan channel. He just have a few of people, maybe just under 10 people. But don't look at the team, look about the result. What if in your channel just by yourself? Scripting, shooting, editing is by yourself and you don't have a team. What would you choose, Ryan Trahan thumbnail or MrBeast thumbnail? The right choice is choose the Ryan Trahan thumbnail. Because the type Ryan Trahan thumbnail, the result is almost the same like MrBeast thumbnail. By paper beyond the click how YouTube thumbnails shape user interaction and algorithmic recommendation. Compare thumbnails video YouTube about correlation metric for China Uyghur crisis. As a result, thumbnail has a colorfulness, brightness, and quality image doesn't got significant impact to views, comments, and likes. The point is about minus 0.02 to 0.02. That is very weak, and this can make you shock. That video can got like more views, can also get more likes and comments, vice versa. That means you don't always make a thumbnail like a MrBeast. You can also create a slickly edited thumbnail and got lots of click, like Ryan Trahan. And especially now, in YouTube, you can also test 3 different thumbnails and title. And better use thumbnail and title have a correlation in your video and less clickbaiting. The final part of penny that makes it 0.99 pence. 3. Focus on your story. That thing can make Ryan Trahan be a genius YouTuber. Did you know where Ryan Trahan can get higher viewers every single month? That's because he achieved the highest retention rate in every single video. And it starts from the first minute the video. Look the title and look the first minute of the video.
If you double it, you have $2. And if you kept doubling it, you would be a millionaire by day 20. Pretty cool. So the question is, how many days in a row can I double this dollar?
He repeats the title in the first minute of the video, and then he continues with the rules of the challenge or the video. This can make viewers feel attractiveness. But not just that, Rian Trahan also use creativity in every video. For example, in the video, he introduced the new name for the new character, and his name is
Brian Mayhem. My alter ego, here's my idea.
Who can thinking like this? Maybe some people have a crazy things and a genius idea, but no one make it happen because doesn't have courageous and purpose. Different like Rian Trahan, he make it happen because he realized that their video YouTube can more prominent. Can you realize while you watched anime like Demon Slayer? The anime isn't just show up about action thing, like fighting, training, and attack the demon. But the author make this anime has emotional tears, like flashback, weak side, feminine side, the funny things. That's why anime like Demon Slayer can go viral, because the anime has a different story to be revealed. Similar like Rian Trahan video series. How is he feel? For example, like the funny things and he show up in their video.
Anyways, guys, we have 22 pound and 55 pence. I can't wait to not have to say pence. Britton, I love you, but you don't make any sense.
But Rian Trahan make it happen using the ability. He just doesn't copying the other video or the idea how to make it happen to my own. That's the successful YouTuber do. For you as a beginner YouTuber, when you have the idea on the other video on YouTube, you should using your brain and thinking, can it be used in my content? And the last thing, why the more new beginner YouTuber cannot get highest video retention rate? That's because they or you doesn't know exactly how to solve. But you don't worry, I can teach you. Just pay me a cup of coffee. You can get the full of formula. It contains all the fundamentals of YouTube that I have used to develop the Budget Create channel to get 50,000 subscribers. Just click link in the description.